Hi, I'm Manu. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Alphaio. And what we do at Alphaio is we provide the easiest blockchain framework, allowing creators and brands to be able to mint smart contracts attached to real and digital assets. We're solving for three main problems: authenticity, resale, and community building. And we provide the easiest blockchain interface in the world, allowing them to mint smart contracts without actually having to write a line of code. We're a SaaS ecosystem comparable to what Shopify is for e-commerce. I worked in finance for about 5 years and quickly realized that, I wanted to do something more. I wanted to be involved in a project that was actually going to make a difference. And that's how kind of like the first version of the Alpha platform came about. We put together a licensing platform so that we could connect artists to real estate projects. And when I stumbled upon blockchain in 2015, I knew that this technology was ideal for asset ownership as a whole. 2017, we actually started developing what is now the Alphaio API. And its first use case was the Alpha 8 Inc. platform. We wanted to use it to certify the additions that we were putting forward into the world, really elevating the experience of the certificate of authenticity by translating that into NFTs. And that's what we've been doing since. We could not have built this company without the amazing team we have on board. Harold, our CTO, has been with me for almost 10 years at this point. And we've gone through so many different iterations of the platform, and he runs our entire dev team out of South America. He's a full stack developer who started his career at Apple and has experience building applications for scale. Our CMO, Pedro, he started his career in digital marketing, built out an agency that he sold to WPP, became a musician for a few years, recorded across the world in noteworthy studios such as Abbey Road. And we started to connect about a couple of years ago on how we could bring blockchain as a tool to fund the development of musicians as well. Our head of product is an incredible person as well. He's also the head of digital for Apple, and I met him during my Stanford Latino business program where I had a full scholarship and went through it during COVID. That was also a kind of like turning point in my career. Most recent project where we've just received an LOI from the Sacramento Kings, and we're building out a platform for the NBA that can then roll that out to many teams. The idea there is to have a dashboard interface that is very similar to what a person would expect from a website, but connected to an entire Web3 backend. We're really excited about this project and a lot of the other ones that we're working on. But we're seeing very quickly how this technology is going to change the way that we think of asset ownership as a whole. There's a lot more stories that I could be sharing, but I know time is limited. So I'll leave you to this, and hopefully we can chat soon in person in New York City.